All right, so excited to be here with the Department of Finance and Economics. We're going to talk finance and econ and wealth management careers. And Mike, you're going to kick us off and tell us about what are you seeing in the career market for finance graduates?
Certainly, wealth management, commercial lending, technology and banking, very important, growing and changing.
So true. Now let's talk about why Walsh for finance and banking and wealth management. Louise, why Walsh?
Thanks, Susie. Because we're a business college. So what we do, we teach business. It's small. You'll have small class sizes. You'll know who your professors are. And all of us here have been students who earned their degrees at night. Professor Grashak and I were our Walsh alums twice over. So we've been who you are. We know what it's like to earn a degree at night with multiple priorities, claims on your time. So we were you, so we know where you're coming from.
Oh, I love that. And Bill, tell us a little bit about how Walsh takes faculty from the boardroom to the classroom and how this directly benefits students.
Sure, Susie. Well, it's all about practical application. It's about taking the materials, the theories covered in class and applying it to real world scenarios and engaging in true problem solving. Because at the end of the day, you don't really know something unless you can do it. And that's what we try to strive for.
Boy, that's so true. Competency brings confidence. Everybody's trying to get confident first, but you have to be competent first. So speaking more about that and the professional experience, Steve, tell us what students are able to get in the program that they can put on their resume right away.
In the Walsh Finance Lab, we have two professional softwares used in the industry, highly regarded, Bloomberg and FactSet. Both softwares have certification courses that students can take, go through, get a certificate, download it, and make reference to it on their resume. This is something that's sought after by professionals, and it's something that will be very useful for them with regard to a career.
Absolutely. And John, bring us home and just tell us briefly, what are the PLOs, the program learning outcomes for finance, so students know what they're getting when they come in the door for Walsh?
Well, Susie, let me just say that we have four key pillars in our learning objectives for our program. The first is the technical skills that you need to do the job well. The second is the critical thinking skills so that you can create value add to everybody that you meet in your career. The third is research skills, where to get the information to make your argument from. And the fourth pillar is presentation skills, to take your good ideas that have arisen from the first three principles and communicate them effectively to your audience.
Yeah, I love that. All right, so you heard it here today. So why Walsh enrolled today for your career in finance and economics and in the future of what the world is going to look like. Thank you.